All right, let's talk about the UFO. Early this year on Instagram, I just see people killing on this bait. These, obviously sunfish, bluegill looking style 3-piece baits that he makes over at UFO. And I just thought in my mind, it'd be so good for summertime at the lagoon. Luckily got in on a pre-order and, had to wait a few months to get the bait. Got the bait though. And you'll see first trip out right here, got hit, second cast. Boy, does that swim nice though. Yeah, that's exactly, oh, I got one on the UFO. Yep, right here to my right. Second cast, dude. And that just gave me confidence to throw that bait, getting hit so early on it. And then that day my trolling motor broke, so I had to take out the Pond Prowler the next trip, which is a blessing in disguise because that little boat is so stealth. And I just, in my mind, I'm just like, I'm gonna just commit to this bait pretty much all day, and did. I just threw it probably for a good hour and a half or so. It's my first trip up there since the fires up in Castaic, and it was awesome. Just got smashed on it, and I want you to check it out. Here's a clip from the PB on the UFO Sunkist Crankdown. Good morning. Already sweating. I got the Pond Prowler today, so I was unloading. Had to get my parking pass early this morning, a little bit later than I wanted to be out here, but we're gonna fish for a few hours before this crazy heat comes in. It's my first time up at the lake since the fires. It's been about almost 2 weeks since I fished, but hey, the only person on the lagoon is Butch Brown and one other guy on a kayak, so I'm gonna throw that UFO bait to start. I gotta get out there before it gets too bright, so I'm gonna shoot on out there, throw the swim bait, and then fish deep. All right, see ya. Got the UFO. It's a giant. It's a big one on the UFO. Oh my God, it came off. Why do I? No, it's on still. It's a big one. It's a big one on the UFO. It's a big one on the UFO. I got one. Woo! Yes! On the UFO, guys. Holy crap. Holy crap. Holy crap. Oh my God. Next trip out. Oh my God. Freaking net. Thought I lost it for a second. Holy crap. Freaking big one, dude. Yes. Holy crap. Alright. Check it out. On UFO, baby. Swim bait. Finally committed to it. Oh man. Oh yeah. I got that sucker good. Oh man. Check him out, guys. Yes. Woo. Get her some water. Oh, get that bait out of there. Get that bait out of there. I got the donkey leash, so we're gonna do that. So, we're on the donkey leash for a second there. Oh, all right, guys. Oh, yeah. Got my finger. All right. Yes. Get this fish revived a little bit, but no PB on the UFO. Yes. Woo. Freaking biggin'. Get one more weight, guys. Seven, 6. One more time. Yep, 768, new PB. Let's go. Let's freaking go. Woo. A beautiful fish, guys. Whew. Yeah. On the UFO, you saw it. All right, there she is. She's beautiful. Woo-wee. Just got my PB on the UFO crankdown. Let me show you this bait. Freaking sweet bait. I waited a while for it. I pre-ordered it. Just had a feeling about it too. I had a feeling this would be so killer here. But yeah, just fished around the grass, slammed it. You'll see the fight. You just probably saw the fight, but I thought I lost him for a second, but he just pulled me around some weeds. I pulled him out again. I had strong line on there, 25-pound test. Yeah, got him in the boat. Brought the bigger net today, luckily. But whoo, new PB 7.6. Let's go on the UFO crankdown. Oh my God, I just got smashed again.
That's okay.
Yeah, I ordered the UFO like in April. Because I thought I'd be perfect for here in the summer, you know?
Well, when I was cruising through here, what I saw was a lot of bluegill.
Yeah.
You know, and
Yep.
that is a good sign.
Yep.
And I saw a little bit of bluegill over there, but more of the little bait fish in the shallows. But, you know, bluegill all around here.
So wanted to add this clip in real quick. I tied on the jerk bait late morning, and first cast get smashed here. And just remember this, because in the next video this comes into play big time.